Hi friends, welcome back to our Facebook page. Look at this mini trolley bag. Let's make them. Take a craft paper, fold it from its all corners and make a square shape. Again fold it from its corners like this, flip it and again fold it. Make more such folds and shape. Open it, then we are going to make a fold like this. We are giving it shape of a bag like we are doing here. Then take the another shape and do the same process and make a shape like this. Put all of them together and make a box like we are doing here. Put those craft paper inside, then we are going to make the strips out of different craft paper. Make multiple folds from its corner, paste it using glue and put all the structure together. Now we are going to make the handle like this, add more details like the eyes and the tires, and look, it is ready. How pretty this is looking. Look at this pretty container. Let's make it. We are folding a printed craft paper like this. Make more folds from its corners. Make folds from the bottom as well. Again fold it into these shapes. Make multiple shapes and combine all of them together. Secure it from the bottom and look, it is almost ready. Paste the handle and look, your container is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share.